Okay, I've gotten some questions about how to find and use the Learn form on Quizlet. So you're going to go to your class. I'm using third grade, but this works for fourth, fifth, sixth, any of the classes. And you just decide, hey, what chapter do I want to work on? And let's go and take a look at chapter 7. So if we go into chapter 7 and open that up, we see here for study, we have the options for flashcards, learn, write, spell, test. To use the Learn feature, we simply go over here to Learn and click on it. And that's going to give us the option for Learn. Down here where it says Options, answer with Latin, answer with English, I want you to answer with Latin because that's what you're going to have to learn how to spell. And so that's going to help you maximize this feature. So we'll go over here and we'll click that. And when you first go through Learn, it's going to ask you a series of multiple choice questions. So to fight, well, that is Pugno. So we'll click on that. Example, exemplum, we're going to click on that. To kill, Neko, we're going to click on that. To walk, Ambulo, we're going to click on that. To entrust, Mando, we'll click on that. Sky, Kylum, we'll click on that. To attack, Apugno, we'll click on that. It's going to give it to you in sets of 7. So if you'll see here, we started off with 10 words over here. We've done 7 in the familiar column. And what's going to happen is it's going to go back and cycle through and pick up the ones we haven't done yet. And then it's also going to move on to the mastery level. So let's see what the next level or next round would look like. Building, that's Idificium. To walk, it's making sure I know this word. Gives you a chance to study it again, or if you've got it, you can move on. To fight, gift is Dotum Doni. Now on this one, it requires you to spell the word. If you need to use a macron, you'll have macron buttons down here that you can use. If you're doing this on a portable device like an iPhone or an iPad or a tablet, you won't have these buttons. Instead, just hold down the A key and it'll bring up a submenu, and that will allow you to select the macron. So here, I need to make sure I use the macrons. Now we've done 2 rounds. We've moved all of the words out of the haven't seen them to at least familiar, 4 we've mastered. And you'll continue to go through it until you have shown mastery on all the words and being able to spell them. If you get one wrong, the system will cycle that one back through and you'll have to answer that one again. I hope this one helps.